We are taking over your vacuum plant. Yes, we will take over your vacuum plant. Oh, no, you won't. I'm not a rocket plant. It's a rocket plant now. You vacuum was last news. Yesterday's news. It was yesterday's news. I tell you. Oh, you shot me. What was that? It was a vacuum cleaner. This is very cool. Oh, my head. Turned it off. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! What? Who are you? You all are going on the naughty list. No, we're not. Let us take that. We are beginning to bomb you now. Oh, thanks for telling us. Now we can counter. You hit our giant duck. What is wrong with you? You are going to be sucked up by the vacuum cleaner. You are not. You have lost to our vacuum plant. What are you doing with that rocket? No, don't launch that rocket. Oh, no, right? It's our rocket and we'll launch it if we want to. No, you won't. We're fighting to the death.